All right, so my Matrice 4T is finally here. Let's pop some boxes and see what's inside. This is the small box. I'm suspecting those are the batteries. Let me cover my address so you guys don't need to send me anything. Let's look inside. And this came, yep, those are 3 batteries for my Matrice 4. The kit comes with single battery, so having 3 batteries is needed to have a sustained flight. So let's put those aside. As a matter of fact, let me open one of them. There it is, almost done. Perfect. All right. Let's put these aside and let's tear into the big box. Notice it's the Universal Edition, so it's licensed to fly anywhere in the world. Well, so far, let's come up. Yep. Okay, let me pull this out. Good packing. All right. So what do we have? Okay. Let's get this aside. We have the beautiful 4T here. Okay. Well, it looks very impressive. Should open this first. RTK module, port for a speaker and lights. Okay, let's pull this. How this comes off. It's top. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Oh, I'm so anxious to go and test it out. That's the battery it came with. Okay. Let's fold this back. see what else we got. This is remote controller. HDMI, USB, C1, C2. Beautiful screen. All right. We'll pair into it here in a little bit. And the sticker and the manual says you have to plug in the USB charging port to activate the battery for the first time. So now that it charged for a few minutes, it's coming up. It's not fully charged yet, but it's coming up without any issues. Looks beautiful. And then it goes into setup. I'll set it up off camera. So let me turn it off. However, yes, I was right. This compartment is for a replaceable battery. So I need to go on to the DJI store and pick up maybe a couple of those batteries just to have an extra and make sure that I'll get extended flight time. All right. One more thing that I wanted to do is actually make a side-by-side size comparison with Mavic 2 Pro. Mavic 2, so it's slightly bigger than my 2 Pro. I cannot tell the difference in the weight. They feel to me very similar, but Mavic 2 Pro is a little bit smaller than Matrice 4T. And yeah, the stickers that you see, reflection stickers, those are the bird deterrent. I was this summer flying in Europe, in Poland, and I had no idea how vicious seagulls are. And they would come and attack my drone constantly. So after putting some reflective patches, that slowed them down. So it works really well. All right, this is it. Just the unboxing. Now we're gonna go and test flight, and after the registration, and we'll see how it flies.